Hello guys, we're back from Mobiles, and today we're going to play very easy obby. Oh wait, very easy something tower. So others guys, we're going to play for this languages. So others guys, it's called Japanese. Uh, no, so guys, I need to beat this game for a while. So this. Oh my god, this hard. This hard. Oh my god, this is the hardest game. Do not. This easy. Do not do it. Okay. Do not mess up, okay? Come on, do not mess up. Do not mess up. Please. Oh, oh my god! It's easy! Guys, it's very easy. What's that? Very easy. What's that? It's a bit easy because it's easy mode. So honest guys, it's a very easiest game. Okay, let's go. Okay, that is easiest game in entire life. So honest guys, I'm not gonna test laser beam because it mainly jump scare me. So this is the easiest game ever. So I like this game. This game is amazing. So this amazing game. So we're at reach. We need to reach 10. Okay. So we're going to this. Two, two. Wait, how? Huh? Okay, I need to just do this. Okay. So I'm now going to just beat this game for a while. So I'm not this. Okay. What the heck? Oh my god. I'm wanting to just beat this game for a while. Okay. Only got 10. I need to beat this game. What's the one? Sorry, and the other no. What is language is? I don't really know. I want to just shoot it. Oh, come on, I need to get it. Okay, next to the obby. What next obby, huh? Next obby, where's it? Where's that obby? Okay, where's that? Can I go inside? Or not? Or not? Okay. We should never go inside and there. So that is the easiest game on Impossible Game. So I like this game. This game is so cool. So that is this game is so cool. So anyways guys, I'm gonna just do this very much. But you can do. So anyways guys, I like this. I'm gonna follow her. So I'm gonna follow her. Come on, go. Come on. Stop lagging. Stop lagging. Stop lag. What the heck? What? Okay, fine. So anyways guys, that is this game in the entire life. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos such as make sure to like, subscribe. So anyways guys, goodbye.